July morning, heat still on the bed. The fan keeps time, I can't get back. The sun won't carry my weight, my worn lips are whistling. No silver spoon, just a rusted key to a door that opens to the sea. Lights crawl across the floor, I don't ask for much no more.